How does nonverbal communication persuade in court? Imagine sitting in a courtroom watching a witness testify. You might focus on what they say, but often, your eyes catch their body language or facial expressions first. Nonverbal cues are powerful tools in courtrooms. They influence how judges and juries perceive credibility and trustworthiness. While words are important, how those words are delivered can make a big difference. In a trial courtroom, key players like attorneys, witnesses, judges, and jurors all send and receive nonverbal signals. For example, a lawyer who maintains steady eye contact and uses confident gestures appears more convincing. Witnesses who sit upright and avoid fidgeting seem more honest. Judges observe these cues carefully during proceedings. Jurors are especially sensitive to body language because it helps them judge the sincerity of testimony. Body language includes posture, gestures, facial expressions, eye contact, and tone of voice. When someone stands tall with shoulders back, they seem confident. Conversely, slouching or shifting nervously can suggest uncertainty or discomfort. Facial expressions should match what is being said. A smile while describing a sad event might seem insincere, while a serious face can reinforce the gravity of the testimony. Gestures like hand movements can emphasize points but should be controlled. Excessive or distracting movements can hurt a person's credibility. Attorneys often use nonverbal cues to strengthen their case. They dress professionally to appear credible and trustworthy. Open body language, such as uncrossed arms, makes them seem approachable. Mirroring the body language of jurors or judges can build rapport subtly. During cross-examination, witnesses should avoid nervous habits like touching their face or adjusting clothing. Instead, they should breathe deeply and stay calm. This helps project honesty and composure. Judges are keen observers of nonverbal signals. They notice how witnesses answer questions and react to evidence. Even small hesitations or nervous glances can influence their perception of truthfulness. Lawyers also pay attention to these cues when making their arguments. They might use vocal variety, changing pitch and tone to highlight key points and keep the jury engaged. Nonverbal communication persuades because it creates an emotional connection. A calm, confident demeanor can make a person seem more trustworthy. Making eye contact shows honesty, while relaxed gestures suggest openness. These cues help establish credibility and likability, which are essential in persuading jurors and judges. When someone appears genuine through body language, their words carry more weight. In a courtroom, everyone is constantly interpreting these signals, often without realizing it. A witness who appears nervous might be seen as hiding something, even if their words are truthful. An attorney who maintains steady eye contact and uses purposeful gestures can sway opinions in their favor. Even small adjustments like improving posture or practicing calm breathing can influence how a message is received. So nonverbal communication is not just about appearances. It is a vital part of persuasion in court. It helps shape perceptions, build trust, and reinforce spoken words. When used effectively, body language and facial expressions can tip the balance in a case. They make the difference between a statement that sounds convincing and one that truly feels credible. In the end, how someone looks and moves can be just as powerful as what they say.